Top 9 Tech Billionaires in India. Number 1. Shiv Nadar and family. Value 27 billion US dollars. Shiv Nadar, the richest IT billionaire in India, is the founder of HCL. His daughter Roshni Nadar is currently the chairman of HCL Technologies. Number 2. Azim Premji and family. Value 5.2 billion US dollars. Azim Premji, the founder of Wipro, is India's second richest man despite having given more than half of his wealth away. Number 3. S. Gopalakrishnan and family. Value 3.3 billion US dollars. The former vice chairman of Infosys and currently serving as the chairman of Axelar Ventures. Gopalakrishnan is the third richest IT billionaire of India. Number 4. N.R. Narayana Murthy and family. Value 3.1 billion US dollars. Murthy is a co-founder of Infosys. He has been the chairman, CEO, president and chief mentor of the company before retiring and taking the title chairman emeritus. Number 5. Baiju Ravindran and family. Value 2.8 billion US dollars. Baiju Ravindran and wife Divya Gokulnath are the 6th richest IT billionaires in India. They founded the only edtech company Byju's in 2011. Number 6. Nandan Nilekani and family. Value 2.2 billion US dollars. Another Infosys co-founder, Nandan Nilekani, is one of the richest men in IT in India. He has also served as the chairman of the Unique Identification Authority of India (UIAI). Number 7. SD Shibulal and family. Value 2.1 billion US dollars. Shibulal has served as the CEO and MD of Infosys. He is one of the 7 founding members of the IT behemoth. Number 8. Dinesh Krishnaswamy and family. Value 2 billion US dollars. He is the 4th Infosys co-founder of the top 10 IT billionaires of India list. Number 9. Nitin Kamath and family. Value 1.9 billion US dollars. Kamath is an Indian entrepreneur. He co-founded Zerodha, a digital financial services company, and currently serves as the company's director.